So right below where you have written on the concept board, um,
How much zoom?
350%.
No, you're joking. There's no way you wrote this with 350%.
I did.
What?
I'm writing on the iPad.
Oh, okay.
It's
No,
easier to
I
learn.
know why it's hard for me. It's hard for me because I'm doing split screen. I'm only able to see like half of what you're seeing,
Okay.
even though it's that much percent.
Mm-hmm. 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 Maybe. Maybe. Okay. So these formulae are simple. Shall we directly get to the questions? I mean, this
Yeah,
is all that you need to know, and there onwards, it's just solving the questions, applying
yeah,
the formula. Okay, right
yeah.
from 1, how many do we have? We have 12, 13, 19. Uh, let's see. From, could you do this sine 2a thing?
Let me see. Why is it not writing? Okay, I need white. One. Okay, it's so big.
Reduce the size of the in pen. Choose
To
one
one.
point. 1 point.
Okay, okay. Uh, okay. What did you tell me to do? One.
Question number.
That sign. Wait. Isn't that just put the formula? Just use the formula.
No, it's rather derivation of the formula.
Okay. To show. Okay, so sine A plus B sine A cos B plus sine. I mean cos A sine B. Uh, from this, how do you get sine square cos square? Okay, so how would I get that?
For sine 2a, your formula would be um, sine a plus a,
Uh huh. Uh huh.
and then you apply the previous identity that you learned or previous formula that you learned,
Which is
which is equal to sine a cos a. So sine a cos a will be sine a cos
cos
a,
A
and then plus
plus cos S sine A. So what will
cos
that be?
a sine a, and these are since both same terms, so you get 2 sine a cos a.
Plus. Okay.
No, simply that. So this is why sine a plus a is sine 2a. So you have sine 2a is equal to 2 sine a cos a.
Okay. 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 I get it. Next one. Which
Mm,
should I do?
yes, please. 2.
Two. Okay. Using the identity cos A plus B, you show that. Okay. Using the identity cos A plus B, show that cos. So cos A plus A, again same thing, is equal to cos A cos A sine A sine A, right? And then so that makes it cos 2A is what? Yeah, whatever. This, right?
Cos squared a minus sine squared a. Okay.
That's
Then
it. That's what you needed. B. Hence show that cos 2A is equal to A minus 1. So cos 2A is equal to uh, A minus 1. 2 cos square A minus 1. cos square cos square a uh minus sine square, which is how much? Cos square sine square, cos square plus 1, I mean,
Cos squared. Is it?
a minus 1, which becomes plus 1, right?
In bracket, you will have sine squared a is equal to cos squared a minus 1.
Yeah, and then outside bracket, that's how I wrote it.
No, 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 no,
Yeah,
no, 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 no.
yeah, it's cos square it's cos
It
square
would be 1 minus
plus
cos
1.
squared. 1 minus cos squared a. 1 minus cos squared a.
That's what I wrote though.
No,
Minus cos squared a plus 1.
but no, no, no. Sine
How
squared
is 1 minus cos squared a different from sine? It makes no sense. But okay.
minus.
1 cos squared a.
So now when you remove this bracket, it will become minus 1 and plus cos squared a, which adds to this cos squared a.
No, it's cheating. Okay. Next. Let's see.
Yes, please. Next is,
What is this line that's coming out of nowhere?
I don't know.
Cos.
Let me
You have to keep removing it.
hmm,
Cos. Same thing, but do it for
10.
change cos to sine. Okay. Uh, 3.
Yes, please.
Okay, 1 second. Okay, I lost it. I lost it. Hand. Okay, I'm back. 3. Use the expansion of tan to express tan to a in terms of tan a. Okay. Tan a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b.
Instead of b, just write tan a plus a, and wherever you had written b, write a.
Yeah, okay, so then it becomes 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan squared, which is the formula, right?
Which is the formula. And what does the formula say?
Formula. Huh? Yeah.
It's done. It's expressed in the form of tan a. It has to be expressed in the form of tan a. Don't change it. Tan
Yeah,
2a
that's what
plus.
I'm just trying to write. This tan a is equal to
This won't be tan a. It would be tan 2a.
2a. Yeah.
Okay. Next, let's do B, E, and H.
D, E, and H.
B for.
Uh,
Let's do B, D, E, and H. Fine.
okay, I see. Uh, 2 tan 5 1 minus tan 2 5. Okay, okay, okay. This means that what I have to do is not time. Let me go up 1 second. Okay, I got what to do. Tan square tan. Okay, so the answer is tan 10.
It would be tan 10. Okay.
Then E would be uh 1 by 2 sine 24.5. 24.5. 1 second. And okay, so it would be 1 by cos 49.
Sine 49. This is sine formula. 2 sine A cos A.
Ah, okay. Oh, yeah, it's a sine. Sine.
Hmm. H.
H for step, it's cos. Is this the cos formula?
Yes.
Okay, so
Yes.
then this is cos pi by 8.
Cos pi by 8. Perfect. For 5, let's do. Hmm. So it's for double angle formula that there were two. You were saying the other day, right?
Yeah,
That.
yeah. 3 there are.
Hmm. Yes, one in terms of sine, one in terms of cos, and one otherwise.
No. What?
One all in terms of, for example, cos 2a
Ah,
is
yeah,
equal to
yeah, yeah.
cos
That's
squared
what.
a
That's
minus
what.
sine squared a.
I got it. I
Then
got it.
you can have it all written in cos form and all in sine form.
What sine from? Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. Which fifth without using the calculator? Exact value. Exact value. Uh, how do you do this? Which ones do I have to do?
So roughly speaking, the first one would be sine 25.
Right. It would.
2 cos squared a minus 1
It would be cos
30.
30. Yep.
Sine squared a minus cos squared.
It would be sine. It would be cos. It would be cos, right?
It's whole
Or
squared. You'll
yeah.
have to first expand.
Okay, if I expand, I'll get sine squared 75 minus 2 sine 75 cos 75 plus cos 75 cos square 75.
So sine squared a plus cos squared a will become 1,
Yes.
and minus 2 sine a cos a will become sine 2a.
2 2 sine will
See,
cos A?
see, 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 see. So I've got
I got what you're saying. Just repeat what you said.
2 sine a cos a will be sine 2a.
Sine 2A. Ah, okay, yeah, yeah.
So sine squared 75 plus cos squared 75, it will become 1, and
Yeah,
minus
yeah, yeah.
2
Yeah,
sine.
yeah, 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 yeah. It would be sine 75 into 2 is what? I don't know math. You do it.
150.
Yes.
Okay. This, then sir, last one, please.
Last one. Last one. Say another thing. Sine doesn't have squared, right, in the formula. Can you go up to the
Sine
formula?
2a is 2 sine a cos a.
So it doesn't have square.
Mhm,
So only cos and tan have square.
mhm,
Okay, yeah, that is good information. Valuable. It's very valuable.
mhm,
You went to the next of the next exercise.
The same exercise, just a few questions ahead. Or
No, it's
did I?
not. You
Allahu
did.
Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Too much sensitivity these days.
It's true. It is true.
What is
So,
it with this thing?
what are you doing? Just slowly go down. It's fine.
Time travel.
So zoom in, please, please. Which one now?
Um, this six.
6A. Okay. Show that. Okay. Sine squared A plus uh cos squared A plus sine A cos A.
Sine a cos a or 2 sine a cos a?
I told you. I don't know math. Okay. So sine, this one would be 1, and then this one would be sine A to A. Just the same thing we did.
Hmm. Next, quickly.
Hence find the exact value of sine pi by 8 plus
Can you
cos
do it
pi
in
by
one
8.
step?
So yeah, so it's just sine pi by 4, right?
1 plus sine pi by 4, you mean?
That's what I meant.
Yes, sir. 7 we can skip.
If I say sine pi by 4 plus 1, literally makes no difference, right?
Hmm.
Right?
Hmm. 8.
8. Okay. Given that P equals to 2 cos theta and Q is equal to cos 2 theta, express Q in terms of P. So, hmm, Q is equal to cos 2 theta. So, if I square both sides, if I just open this,
Hmm.
wait. If
Just
I
apply
just
the
open,
formula
no,
of
no,
two.
if I just use the form, yeah, if
Hmm.
I just use on Q, if I use the opening formula, that
Hmm.
1 plus blah blah blah,
Cos squared A minus sine squared A, or the other one?
um, which one would I use? Which one would I
You'll
use?
have to express it
And
in the form of
I,
cos
co-
theta,
I,
2 cos
I
theta.
won't have to do it with cos square, sine square because then that will be 1.
So
I have to
you
do it,
have to do 2 cos squared A minus 1.
yeah, 2 cos square minus 1. Can you
But
go
now,
back down?
hmm, but now you have to convert it in the form of
2
P.
cos. Yeah, so just q is equal to p squared minus 1, no?
Mhm. P squared will be 4 cos squared. This is 2 cos squared.
Uh, 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 p by 2 whole square, no?
It will be, uh, no, it will be p squared by 2. P squared by 2. 2 won't be squared.
P squared. Oh, that's what I meant. Yes. P squared by 2 minus 1.
Hmm.
I am a genius with a J. Okay, which next?
9.
9. Eliminate theta from the following pairs of equations. Uh, okay. X is equal to cos square theta y. How would you remove theta? How are these equations? How to do the math? Can you do the first one? Tell me.
Okay. So you have got x is equal to what? Cos squared theta.
Uh huh.
And y is equal to what?
Y is equal to 1 minus cos 2a theta.
Y is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta is equal to 1. Cos 2 theta is equal to what?
1 minus cos square theta. I mean cos square theta minus 1. Whatever, I don't know.
So if I say uh, y, alright, 1 minus y is equal to cos 2 theta, and cos 2 theta is equal to what? Cos squared theta
So
minus
1 minus y square.
uh, 2 cos squared theta minus 1 is equal to 1 minus y, and cos squared theta is equal to x. So I've got 2x minus 1 is equal to 1 minus y, or
What are you doing? I don't understand what you're supposed to
okay, using these two values you have to give an equation which does not have theta. So you
do.
have to convert maybe one of these in the form of x and y.
Okay.
Okay, so first I have the 2 theta formula. I converted that into 2 cos squared theta minus 1. Cos squared theta I know is equal to x. So instead of cos squared theta I wrote x. So I've got 2x minus 1. And if I rearrange this, it becomes y is equal to 2 plus 2x. Or 2 minus,
Uh-huh.
sorry, 2 minus 2x. 2 minus 2x. Got it?
No.
So I'm given a value of x, I'm given a value of y. I have to use any of these two so that my final answer is the in the form of x and y. There is no theta over there in the answer.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. I hear you, but I don't understand you. Okay, I understood. Next, let me do which one should I do?
If you do please, b.
B for balloon. Right?
Hmm,
Right? 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 Sir, right?
hmm,
Sir, 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 right? Sir, sir, right? Sir, sir, right? Sir, right? So what's the formula for tan?
You'll have to do the double angle formula. So tan
For
theta
y.
is,
Yeah.
yes, it will be, the double angle formula is 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan
Is.
squared theta.
Okay. So y is equal to 1 minus x square by 2x.
Hmm,
Done?
hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Quickly, third one, c.
She. Um. Okay, what is double angle formula for sine?
2 sine
2
theta
theta.
cos theta.
2 sine theta cos. 2 sine theta cos theta, right?
Hmm.
So that means it's 2 uh, x. How do I do this?
Put 2 sine
How
theta
do I?
cos theta is equal to y. Hmm.
Yeah, the what? But what? Now what?
Y is equal to 2x cos theta.
Yeah, I know that, but how would I turn cos theta to anything?
Put it equal to y.
Okay,
Uh, y. Then find the value of cos theta. So cos theta is equal to y by 2x.
Uh,
So sine
uh,
theta is equal to x, cos theta is equal to y by x. Uh, you will then have, what is this you're doing?
right?
No, what does this step even mean?
Huh? Not that, not this, not this. Yeah, I'm doing it right.
So just what's
It'll
right
then
about this one?
it'll then become 4x. No, I don't know what's right about it. You tell me. Cut this, cut this. Y is equal to y. I'm a genius.
Okay, so you've got cos theta, you've got sine theta. Now you say cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. So y by 2x whole squared plus x whole squared is equal to 1. So you have uh, y squared divided by x squared plus y squared by 4x squared is equal to 1, and then you can convert it even into a
What is all this?
hmm? I mean you can
What's
have
all
this
this?
equation
What's
in
all this?
any form. So you can have
Sir,
4x raised to the power 4, 4x raised to the power 4 plus y squared is equal to 4x squared, and y squared is equal to 4x squared minus 4x raised to the power 4. You can say y squared is equal to
sir,
4x
this
squared
is too
comma
much
4
complication.
plus 1 minus x squared.
Is this what it says in the marking, Saki?
Hmm.
Is this
So
what it says in the
remember,
marking scheme?
hmm, hmm. So you just have to remember this
Stop
thing.
following the markings.
Just remember this
Okay.
thing, this particular step.
Ah, that one. The one you erased. Okay. Okay. Nice. Y square plus e square. But why would I take cos square theta plus sine square theta out of nowhere?
Because
Simply.
you because then you will have your equation in the form of y and x. What does the
Yeah,
question
but
say?
why don't I
You
take
have to elevate.
cos theta sine theta?
How would you do that?
Yeah, I would, but you know, could have.
Because again you will have
Maybe.
answers in form of theta if you take y theta sine theta. I mean sine theta cos theta.
Okay, whatever, whatever. Next, which one?
Okay, you have done A B C D.
C I did. D I did.
D, go ahead.
D X. Wow, I wrote sine and. I wrote S and 2 at the same time. Okay. So formula is 2 sine theta cos theta, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So then, 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 then. I guess I'll do the left side. Oh, yeah, I guess I'll do the left side. I'll do x is equal to, what is it? 3. What is cos to theta formula? I want to use the sine formula.
So it will be 1 minus sine squared theta. 1 minus 2 sine squared theta.
So it'll be 1 minus 2 sine squared theta
Are you given this
plus.
formula in your
Yeah, yeah. It's in the
tests,
booklet.
class
Yeah.
tests?
No. Oh. 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 You're right. But we are giving it in the exam. We asked the teacher. I
Hmm.
don't think I can remember this. 6 sine squared
Let me quickly
theta
check the booklet.
plus 1.
Edexcel International A-level Maths
I mean, if they don't give these
Formulae.
formulas, then what is the use of the booklet?
The use of the booklet.
They don't give the formula that are required, just random other formulas. And what's the use? What is the use, I say?
Mathematics P1 to
What
P4.
is the use, I say? The use.
For
Use. 4, 3, 1.
sir,
What?
sir, who said that
Uh,
these double angle formulas are given?
Teacher.
Which teacher? Physics teacher.
Sure. P3. Serious? The double angle formulas are not given.
Also, what we did yesterday, were we doing sine A plus sine B?
Yeah, we were. So, anyways, this one is 1 minus 3, 1 to 4 minus 3y square, right?
Hmm,
Huh?
1 second. Let me go check my daughter. She's crying.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Do you know Baba Black Sheep?
Minus 3y square.
Which one is it?
9b.
9D, sir, is
4 minus 3y square.
uh, 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 it's complicated. Y squared is equal to 8 minus 2x by 3. Let me tell you where you went wrong. So you did cos 2 theta x is equal to 3 cos 2 theta plus 1. So you made it 1 minus 2 sine squared theta. So you got 3 minus 6 sine squared theta plus 1. 4 sine squared theta. This step, how did you do this one?
Uh,
And this
y
is
is
equal to what? This is equal to x, right?
yeah, y is equal to 2 sine theta it says, so I just made it 3y squared. I don't know if it makes any sense.
Why did you make it 3y squared?
Because
6
sine,
6 sine squared theta you're saying is equal to 3y squared. Let's check 3y squared. Y squared is equal to 4 sine squared theta, and 3y squared will be equal to 12 sine squared theta.
3y by y
2.
squared by 2.
Hmm. 3 by 2 y squared. And this is equal to x. Put it equal to x.
Okay. 3y.
And you've got 3 plus 1. You make it 4. 4 minus 3y squared by 2 is equal to x.
That's it.
Is equal
Oh,
to x.
yeah, yeah, okay. That's why I put this arrow in it's equal to. But okay, I'll write it just for you. Okay, now what though? That's it, right?
Hmm.
Okay. Uh,
It's better to leave the equation in the form y
I'd
or
rather,
y squared is
I'd
equal to
rather not,
x.
I'd rather not, I'd rather not, I'd rather not.
One
10th
second.
question is what?
One second.
Should I do
Um,
10th or no?
sure, go ahead. Y
Okay.
squared is equal to x plus 4.
So cos 2x, in which form do I have to find? So I'll put it as for what is the formula for the cos 2x to turn it into cos itself?
2 cos squared x minus 1.
2 cos square x minus 1. So that means I'm stupid. 1 second. Okay. Bro. Okay. I multiply both sides by 2 for this one. If I multiply both sides by 2,
Simply put the value of cos x over here in this one
yeah,
and
I'm
start that.
asking if I do another way, can I multiply these two sides by 2
Hmm.
and then would I get cos 2x or would I not get cos
You will
2x?
get 2 cos x.
Yeah, okay, whatever. No one asked. Who asked?
So
Who?
you first square both sides if you want to do it that way. You first square both sides. Cos squared x is equal to 1 by 16. And
Uh-huh.
then you multiply both sides with 2. So you get 2 cos squared x. And then you subtract 1 from both sides.
Oh, yes, that would make sense. That would make sense, but still, it wouldn't make sense. Okay. 2 cos squared x. Cos squared x is 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 by 16, 1 by 16, 1 by 8. 1 by 8 minus 1. Is that it?
Which is equal to minus 7 by 8.
Okay, whatever. Minus 7.
11th, please.
11th. Find the possible values of sine theta when cos 2 theta. Okay. Sine theta when cos 2 theta is equal to 23 by 25. Uh, Sine theta. uh, Okay, so what is cos 2 theta formula in sine?
1 minus 2 sine squared theta.
1 minus 2 sine square theta. Can you look again if in the booklet it's there or not? Any other website?
Formula booklet.
Yeah.
Let me check. This one was issued when? Hmm. Doesn't look likely, but
You get it?
Mhm.
This is further pure maths.
I'm checking if they gave it for there. Unlikely, but oh, you don't get to study hyperbola and these things. Oh,
Uh,
here it is. Here it is. Here it is. In hyperbolic function, it is.
wha- so it's there in my
But
booklet.
it's there in the booklet, but it's confusing. For hyperbolic function, you are given cos h 2x. I mean, just read it. Cos 2x is equal to 2 sine x plus cos x. Sorry, sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x. Cos 2x is equal to cos squared x plus sine squared x. But tan isn't there.
Okay, David, go back to the questions.
Uh,
Police. Go back to the questions.
okay, okay, okay.
Police,
I mean,
police.
you people are lucky.
What do you mean?
We didn't have any of these formula
I
booklets.
never used the formula booklet till now in my life.
Uh-huh. But now you
Ever.
do.
Never. This is the first time I thought I would get the chance to use it.
I
That
never,
also.
I never had this first time.
I just have this chance. They're basically teasing me, but they're
Hmm.
not giving it to me.
Hmm.
That, that.
Aren't these double angle formula easy? Which one are you doing? Are you doing 10?
12.
What did you get for 11?
I don't know. Yeah, it's up here. 1 plus minus 1 by 5.
Plus minus 1 by 5. Collect. Collect. length.
Find the exact value of tan. Sir, what is the formula? Let me tell you what the formula is. For tan, it's tan. Oh, I don't know what it is. Tell me what is it.
2 tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta.
2 tan theta over 1 minus tan square theta. Okay. And this word meant, this word have meant that it go this boom boom and then this and then 3 by 4 square become 9 by 16.
Hmm. For this one, things would be easy if you do. I mean, tan theta you'd be able to handle, but what about sine theta and cos theta? So for that, if you draw this triangle, this is a triangle. So opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 3, adjacent is 4, and the hypotenuse would be how much?
Uh-huh, uh-huh,
Hmm.
uh-huh,
Finish
uh-huh,
this tan thing, then I'll tell you.
uh-huh. I got what you were saying. It will be 3, 4, 5.
Hmm.
Okay. Anyways, what I was doing here, 3 by, let me use my calculator. 3 by 2 by 7 by 16. It's 24 by 7. 24, 7.
It is.
Nice. Sir, it doesn't have to look good. Just have
Just,
to get.
just has to look.
Uh, Sine 2 theta. The formula for sine 2 theta. What am I saying? Formula for sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta, right?
Hmm.
Okay, and so then that means 2 sine theta is what? Sine is opposite add hypotenuse. So 3 by 5 into cos, which is 4 by 5. Um, this would make it 2 3 by 5 into 4 by 5. 24 by 25.
Collect,
Right?
collect, collect.
Okay. And then for, I'll just do b now. B, reduce the value of sine 4a. So sine 4a would be 2 sine 2, I mean theta, cos 2 theta, no?
Hmm. But you didn't find out the value of cos 2 theta.
Uh,
2 into 24 by 25 into
what is it?
7 by 25.
7 by 25. Okay. Uh, so 2 into, okay, let me just do it. 2 into 24 by 25 and into 7 by 25. Sir, I'm so slow with the calculator. That's the problem. I
So
realized.
why did you keep on putting separate fractions? They are multiplying. You could have written 2 into 24 into 7 over 24 into 25, whatever.
Whatever, you wouldn't get it. Okay, is that the answer?
336 by 625. That is the answer.
Yay, I can put values in a calculator. I'm so smart.
Um,
Oh,
13, shall we skip? Almost the same.
Skip, 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 skip. Anything can skip.
14.
14 given that.
How do you do theta by 2?
I know. So this one would be tan theta by 4 by 1 minus tan square theta by 4. Is it minus?
1 minus tan squared theta, but instead,
I think I did right.
how would you have values of tan
Yep,
theta
but
by
I
4?
did it right. I did it right. Did it right.
Instead, do it for tan theta. If it were tan theta, what would be the double angle formula then?
Then it would be theta by 2. So, anyways, it would be something like that.
It would be, I mean, at least you would have tan theta and tan theta by 2 in your equation.
I
Your
mean, theta
equation
by 4.
your equation would be in the form of tan theta and tan theta by 2. So one's given and one's to be found out. Get it, mister?
It's too much work.
Indeed.
But my formula was right, right, right,
You were
right,
right in a way, and you were right in a way.
right.
Tan squared theta by 2.
Okay, so this is 3 by 4, which is equal to. Okay, what do I do though? Now, just multiplication.
It will be tan squared theta by 2.
That's what I meant.
3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 tan squared theta by 2.
Let me just write it. God, 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 God. Then you use the thingy and the thingy, and then you'll get tan theta by 2. Use the equation thing. Wait, I have calculator. 5. Wait, I might have done something. 4. No, 3. Okay. Yeah. What was I supposed to do now? 5, 3, then minus 3 plus 3, minus 3 minus 8 plus 3, I guess. 1 by 3 and minus 3 is
Correct.
equal to 1 by 3 and minus 3. Now what?
Then we say,
God. Then can we just divide this thing by
hmm,
2
hmm,
range?
domain.
What? Yeah, that's what. Sure, the problem.
Pi by 2 is less than theta by 2, which is less than 3 pi by 4. So it has to be between 3 pi by 4, and it has to be greater than
So
pi by
tan
2.
square inverse of tan.
No, no, no. This would cancel.
What?
Which one is the solution? One second.
Uh, so it would be 26.5, 26.6.
Theta by 2
Uh,
would be which quadrant?
Theta by 2 would be 90 degrees first off, so it can't be 26. It'll be that plus 180. So 206.6.
No, it's
Right?
in second quadrant.
What?
It's more than pi by 2 and less than 3 pi by 4. So it's in second quadrant.
No. Oh, 3 pi by 4 is how much?
3 over 4.
How much is 3 pi by 4? What degree is it? I thought it was 270.
Hmm.
Yeah, so that's why 206. It's not in the second quadrant, it's in the third quadrant. Doesn't have to be second quadrant. Has to be anything from second quadrant to middle of the no. Second quadrant to third quadrant. That's the range.
3 pi by 4.
Right? Sir, you're confusing me.
So which one is the answer out of these two? 1 by 3 and minus 3.
So both of them can't be the answer.
Mhm.
Okay, so that means the answer is wait. Uh, that means the answer is 1 by 2.
Minus 3.
How? I don't get it. I don't get it. Explain. Explain.
Tan inverse of what's tan inverse of minus 3? 71.5 degree. This is half.
Minus 71.5.
Hmm.
Then
It,
what?
so it will be in the third quadrant. No, it will be in the.
Pi by 2 is 90 degrees.
How is it 90 degrees? Pi by,
180 divided by
pi by
2.
2 is 90. All right, it's more than 90. It's more than 90, and it's
Less
this.
than 270.
So if I do the cost phase CA ST, this is pi by 2, and this is 3 pi by 4. And what about theta itself? What about theta itself? Theta was more than pi, right?
Yeah.
I don't know. Uh, more than pi. Do the next question. I'll think about it in the meanwhile.
Okay. Sir, for cos formula, double angle formula, it's 2 sine square x plus 2 cos square x, or is it?
Which
Yes.
formula? Cos double angle formula?
Yeah, the first one.
Uh, wasn't it minus
Okay, minus.
cos squared x minus sine squared x?
Okay, it's not, there's no 2.
Mhm.
Okay. Cos squared x minus sine squared x. Okay. Okay. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing.
Multiply the two equations.
Is it right? Is it 2x? I mean, what did I write? Is it n squared?
Multiply the two equations.
Which two?
The two given, cos x plus sin x is equal to m, and the other equation cos x minus sin x is equal to n.
That is cos. That will give me this.
That will give you this. And what else would it give you on the other side of the equation?
Nm.
Hmm. So cos 2x is equal to nm.
Okay,
That's it.
okay.
Next, 16. Would be better if you draw the triangle in this one.
Would be. I am drawing it right.
Hmm.
Right. I'm doing it right. 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 Okay. Using cosine rule to show that. Okay. So cosine rule. Cosine rule. A square b square blah 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 c square cos theta is equal to 2 cos theta. No. Cos theta is equal to a square plus b square plus c square minus what square? So
Hmm. It will be a squared. This small p squared is equal to small q squared plus small r squared minus 2 small q r cos 2 theta.
no, what is the numbers?
So in terms of numbers, it will become Bismillah. 5 squared is equal to 6 squared plus 3 squared minus 2 into 6 into 3 into cos 2 theta, right?
Don't you know the direct formula by heart without doing this? It's
It would become 5 squared
it's cos
minus,
2 theta. I thought it was cos theta.
no, the angle PQQPR is given as 2 theta.
Is it? Ah, yes. Okay. So cos 2 theta is equal to
5 squared minus 6 squared minus 3 squared divided by
no 6 squared plus 3 squared minus 5 squared divided by
2
2.
into 6 into 3.
Yeah. Okay. So that means it's how much?
Don't know.
Done. No.
5 by 9.
Done. No. Done. No. Done. No. It's 5 by 9. You were wrong.
Which we have to show. Okay, sine theta.
Oh, there's more. There is more. Hence, find
Use
value of sine theta. So sine theta would be
using cos 2 theta.
uh
Cos 2
using
theta.
cos theta.
Cos 2
Yes,
theta
yes,
is equal
yes.
to 1 minus 2 sine squared theta.
theta. So that means it's 5 by 9 minus 1 uh, divided by 2 whole root plus minus is equal to sine theta. Um, it's, so 5 by 9 minus 1 5 by 9 minus 1 by 2. Nothing. I get nothing. Okay, let me not do all this. That's a good idea. 5 by 9 minus 1 would give me 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is equal to
Minus 2 sine squared theta. You are ignoring this minus sign.
yeah. Go to the other side minus. It will be minus 2 by 3 divide minus 2 by 3 divided by 2. Correct? Correct? Correct.
How did 4 by
Minus
9?
1 by 3
How did you get
minus
2
1
by
by
3?
3. 5 by 9 minus 1 apparently according to the calculator. Oh, I put 5 by 3. I'm stupid. Minus 4 by 9 it is. It's minus 4 by 9. So this becomes plus, this becomes plus, this is 4, this is 9. 4 by 9 root, it becomes 2 by 3 plus minus 2 by 3.
Where did the 2 go?
Which 2?
The one with sine
Oh, I
squared
didn't
theta.
do it. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I keep doing this thing. This thing. Okay, 4 by 9 divided by 2. 2 by 9. So, root 2 by 3 plus minus.
And will it be plus or will it be minus?
It will be plus, of course.
Because theta is acute.
That's why. Right.
Because theta is acute, that is why it's less than 90. So sine theta will be positive. Okay, next.
Next, you say. Next, you say. Next, you say. Which one?
17.
17. Okay. The line L with equation y is equal to bisects the angle between x-axis and the line is equal to mx, given that the scales on each axis are the same and that L marks an angle x with the x-axis. Write down the value of tan theta. What? 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 Line L with equation y is equal to 3 by 4x bisects an angle between the x-axis and the line y is equal to mx, where m is less than 0. So that means this m is greater than 0. So it's somewhere here. Right, and then yeah, it is. Sir, sir. It just okay, yeah. So it just means the gradient is more than one. Okay, and then for the 3/4x.
M is more than 0, not more than 1. So slope is
More
positive,
than.
gradient is positive.
Uh-huh, uh-huh. Now.
The other line, which is y is equal to m3/4x, bisects the first one. So if this is theta over here, the other line y is equal to 3/4x bisects the first one. So this one has gradient y is equal to 3/4x, does it say?
Yes. Yes.
So for this one, we know gradient is equal to tan theta.
Do we? Why is it so?
Tan theta is equal to what? Opposite over adjacent.
So 3 and 4, right?
Or gradient delta y over delta x.
Okay. Which is 3 and 4. Okay.
To the next part, I'll be back.
Okay.
Sorry. Yes, sir. What's the position?
I will note up.
Which position? Which? So we have got y is equal to 3/4x. It bisects. It bisects. So theta will be double.
Uh,
So we do tan 2 theta.
oh,
Tan 2 theta will be equal to,
formula.
which is 2 tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta. So you got how much? It should be 24/7.
No.
2 tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta. So 2 into 3 by 4 over 1 minus tan squared theta will be 9 by 16.
What? What did you say? I didn't understand.
You have to find tan 2 theta, right?
Right.
So tan 2 theta is equal to what?
I don't know.
2 tan theta over 1 minus tan squared theta. The formula of tan theta.
Alright.
And tan theta is 3 by 4.
Okay, and then
And then you solve this fraction
would you
and you
get
get
what do you get? 24 by 7?
24 by 7.
How did you get tan 2 theta is equal to? Okay,
So
even if you
this
got
is,
tan 2 theta is equal to that,
why did we
right?
do tan 2 theta?
Yeah.
Gradient is tan theta, I agree. So
Why
3,
is it tan theta?
because gradient is, sorry, tan theta is perpendicular over adjacent. Perpendicular is delta y, adjacent is delta x.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Okay, so when the angle, it was, when the gradient was 3 by 4, it was tan theta because it was bisecting. So for the complete angle, it would be tan 2 theta.
Okay. 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 I got it now.
Okay, this then
Da-na-na.
18.
Da-na-na. Okay. 18. 18 yeah. Use the identity cause to show that. Okay. To show that cause to. Okay. So isn't it that same thing? Just put
Cos
cause.
a plus a. Hmm.
Yeah.
Next one.
Okay. Uh, the curves C1 and C2 have equation y is equal to 4 cos 2x. Do I have to draw it?
Mm, not really.
Okay. Uh, okay. Have equations. Show that the coordinates of the points where C1 and C2 intersect satisfy the equation. Show that the x coordinates of the points.
So where the two curves intersect, or two lines or a curve and a line intersect
So
each
that
other,
means it's 4 cos 2x is equal to
6 cos
6
squared
cos.
x minus 3 sine 2x.
Yeah, so then after solving that, would I get this answer?
Yes, you should be. Could you try?
Okay.
Just do this one, then we'll take a small break, and after that we will do
40. Okay.
40. We have till 7.
Go up, sir. Go up, sir. Go up, sir.
Didn't the equations?
No, the question. Yeah. Okay, so this will become 6 cos squared x minus 4 cos 2x minus 3 sin 2x. Okay, and so that would,
This is equal to 0.
yes, yes. I can't stretch that much. I'll have to use the finger to move their hand. I mean, so I'm inside here. Okay. By the way, this whole equation,
Quadratic.
I no yeah, and this whole equation I can only see at 228%. Is this covers my whole screen? This
Hmm.
equation.
Hmm.
Okay. If I do 350, it'll cover just the first two.
Hmm. I'm also using currently 227%. Alright, I'll take the break. Almost a short time. I'll be back. Hopefully, you would have solved this one till then, and then for half an hour, we'll do 4D.
Okay, sure.
Okay,
Okay.
see you.
See you.
Yes, sir. Are you there?
Yeah.
Formulae. Formulae. Not really. Solve trigonometric equations. Hmm. 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 Hmm.
How to do after the equation?
Hmm? What?
Nothing, nothing, nothing.
Okay. Just a combination of the two, and I mean, it's just the addition formula and the what were the other ones? These double angle formula.
Yeah. But
Hmm.
there is D, E, and F. How come all of them are about the same?
Let's see about E and F.
Did you see it? Did you see it? Did you see it?
You can use the addition formula to simplify some trigonometric expressions. Hmm. Just here it just gives you a different way of expressing the same formula. So it's saying that if it's written as plus minus, how do you convert it into this form, and then how you solve it. It's just a matter of expression. We'll see.
Okay, let's try to
4D. Um, let's do two.
do to show that sine. Okay, so that means sine. So this means that. What does this mean?
Mm,
What
you
is
take
one?
you take the left hand side. No, wait. What does the question say? Half. Okay. So you take the left hand side, apply the addition formula. Sin A plus B is equal to what?
What is cos pi by 4? Huh?
Hmm?
What is cos pi?
Cos pi by 4. Cos pi by 4. 0.99. It's cos
Okay.
45, right? Pi by 4.
What is it?
Mm, root 2 by 2. 1 by root 2.
Yes, 1 by root 2. Half equal to 1 by root 2. What is sine pi by 4? Also 1 by root 2, right?
Sine 45 will be 1 by root 2. Hmm. Hmm. Then
Sine
how
35 is root 2 by root
root 2 by 2,
2. Root
which is
2
one, which is same as 1 by root 2.
is it?
1 by root 2, rationalize it will become root 2 by 2.
Uh, then now what?
Next part.
Hence, as I solve the equation, okay, this is equal to 1 by root 2. So, what do I do? What is the constant? What can I do? Do I use addition formula? Yes.
Mm, Sine theta plus pi by 4 is what?
Sine theta plus pi.
Mm,
Huh?
hmm.
What do I do?
What is theta plus pi for any value? For example, pi by 4 is 1 over root 2 for both sine and cos, right?
Yeah,
So sine theta cos theta, it will give me 1 over root 2 sine theta plus cos theta.
that's already given.
And sine theta plus cos theta is 1.
Sine square theta plus cos square theta.
Sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1. What about in between 0 and 2 pi? Between 0 and 2 pi is 180 degree, right? So for example, if I take sine 30 plus cos 30, what do I get? No.
What am
Mm-hmm.
I supposed to do?
Hmm?
What am I supposed to do?
Your voice is coming too low. Is my speaker volume down?
What am I supposed to do now?
Mm, 1 over root 2 sine theta plus cos. In the first one, what did you prove? You proved
It's
that sine
very
theta plus pi by 4 is 1 over root 2 sine theta plus cos theta. How does it become 1 over root 2? It means that this
cos
value,
alpha.
how does this whole thing get reduced to 1 by root 2? It is equal to 1 by root 2 cos theta plus sine theta, right?
Uh-huh.
Cos theta plus sine theta.
I don't know what you're saying.
This expression that you have written over here, can you see where I'm pointing on the screen?
Yeah,
This expression, it should be equal, this is not equal to 1 by root 2.
it is according to the equation. That's why I have to solve the equation.
You have to solve this equation. Fine. Sine theta plus cos theta is equal. So you have to find values of theta, right?
Yes. One sine.
This is equal to this 1 by root 2 will be equal to sine theta plus pi by 4. 1 by root 2 will be equal to sine theta plus pi by 4.
Plus 5/4. Yes.
Okay, then you find for different values of theta. Sine theta 0 is 0. So first value of theta is pi by 4. Okay, then when sine is, I mean, you can give it different intervals.
Can you
Pi,
write it?
hmm, sine theta plus pi by 4 is 1 over root 2. So we have to find different values of 0 plus. So for example, if I take theta is equal to 0, then I have got sine pi by 4 is 1 over root 2. If I take theta as what? Um, pi by 4, then I take theta as pi by 2. So I get the relevant values for this. Oh, wait, 1 second. I get this. I say theta plus pi by 4 is equal to pi by 4 sine inverse 1 over root 2. Did you get this step?
Which step? This.
Theta plus pi by 4 is equal to sine inverse 1 over root 2, which is equal to what?
Oh.
Pi by 4. So theta will repeat 0 degree, then it will come at,
Oh.
but we have to arrange the domain. 1 second. Theta is 0, but domain it has to be arranged what way? We are given 0 is theta, which is 0 is less than and equal to theta, which is less than and equal to 2 pi. So for pi by 4, it will become theta is greater than and equal to 0. So it will become uh, pi by 4 is less than and equal to theta plus pi by 4, which is less than and equal to 2 pi plus pi by 4. Okay, are you following this or not?
Yes.
Okay, so then if I get this value of 0 degree, at what intervals it will be at 0, comma, pi, comma, 2 pi,
Alright.
and I add pi by 4 to each of them. So my answers are pi by 4, comma, 3 pi by 4, comma, 5 pi by 4.
7, I think.
Mm, pi
Oh,
by 4,
9.
3 pi by 4, 9 pi by 4.
Yeah.
So these are the answers. or if you want to give in terms of theta, it will be 0 pi by 2 and 2 pi. This is for theta plus pi by 4. These answers for theta plus pi by 4, and if you want to give just for theta, theta will be equal to 0 comma pi comma 2 pi.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
It's simple. You just take this thing, it has come equal to this, you take sine inverse of the other side, theta is equal to 0, and you then give all the values where it will be repeated, 0
Okay.
to 0 pi and 2 pi.
See, use your answer part be written down solution to sine A over the same interval. What?
Hmm.
I mean, I did it in the first place. Just take root 2 to the other side. It'll be root 2 over root 2. That'll be 1. That'll be cos plus sine.
Mm, it will be the same for the other question as well. So you say sine theta plus pi by 4.
This is what I mean.
The answers would be the same, 0 pi by 2 and 2 pi for theta.
This is it. This is what they wanted, I think.
No. Um,
So,
Solutions to sine theta and cos theta over the same intervals. So the values of theta are what?
uh,
Sine 0 plus cos 0 is 1. Sine 90 plus cos 90 is 1.
so I don't know what's going on.
Hmm.
I don't understand.
The answers to this other one, over the range of 0 to 2 pi, which values would satisfy this equation? Sine theta plus cos theta is equal to 1.
Over the range of 2 pi, sine theta plus cos theta is equal to 1.
Hmm. Which values would satisfy this equation?
Which values would satisfy? Values of theta, right?
Which values of theta would satisfy this equation? And
Um,
theta is 0.
0.5 and 0.5, half and half. So when is theta half? When it's sine, uh, sine 45 is half? No. Sine 30 is half?
Sine
Yeah, so
6.
so it's 30 and 90 maybe. Cos 90 is half? No, cos 90 is 0.
But
Cos,
cos 30 won't be half, right? So sine 30,
cos
cos 30 we
30 is
can't.
half.
Cos 30 is not
Sine
half.
30 is half, I mean. Sine 30 is half, I mean.
Then 1 over 2 plus root 3 by 2 is not equal to 1. So we can't take 30. 30 is not the solution.
Right, so
0 pi and 2 pi. Why?
0,
Because
5.
at 0, sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1.
Okay, but how would you get that?
How would we get that? Good question. Um, we will use the same equation that we had. Oh, all right, so we will use it this way. Let me use the brighter ink color. So sir, I will do sine theta plus pi by 4 is equal to 1 over root 2 sine theta plus cos theta. Same thing. Sine theta plus pi by 4 is equal to 1 over root 2 sine theta plus cos theta, right?
Right.
Then that is equal to 1, so I will write sine theta plus pi by 4 is equal to pi by 4, sorry, sine pi by 4, or let me write it 1 over root 2. 1 over root 2, and then I write theta plus pi by 4 is equal to sine inverse 1 over root 2.
Uh-huh.
I will get pi by 4, pi by 4, it will cancel out. I will get again theta is equal to 0.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
And then it will repeat after pi, it will repeat after 2 pi, and so on.
I will sleep.
Confusing?
Yeah, okay.
But roughly speaking, when sine theta and cos theta, their sum give you values of 1. When either of them is 1 and the other is 0.
Okay.
Alright, shall we do 3, 4, 5, or shall we stop? Let's do 6.
Let's do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 6. In triangle ABC. Okay. To theta, theta. Find the value of theta giving your answer in the degrees. 1 decimal plus 1 what? 1 decimal.
Mm, AB is 4, AC is 5. The angle between angle A is 2 theta. Angle A is 2 theta. No, angle B is 2 theta. Angle B is 2 theta. Hmm.
So, just use that thingy formula. 5 by 2 theta is equal to 4 by theta. 5 theta is equal to.
Sine 2 theta and sine theta, right?
That's what I meant to write, but I'm stupid. 2 theta is equal to 4 sine theta. So 5 sine theta is equal to 4. What is sine 2 theta? It's 2 sine theta cos theta. So it's 5 sine theta is equal to 8 sine theta cos theta, and then then what? Then what?
Move it to the other side. Take sine theta common.
Move it to the other side.
You'll
Take
have
sine theta
8 sine theta
common.
cos theta minus 5 sine theta is equal to 0.
Wait, 5 sine theta minus 8 sine theta cos theta is equal to 0. Sine theta common. It makes it 5 minus 8 cos theta is equal to 0. What do I need to find? Theta. So that means that
Either theta
a
is 0.
either
bec-
theta is 0 or it's cos theta is 5 minus 5 by, yeah, so it's 5 by 8. And yeah, so either cos inverse theta is equal to cos inverse of 5 by 8, or theta is equal to sine theta is equal to 0.
Sine theta can't be 0 because, I mean, theta can't be 0. We are working on a triangle, right?
Yes. So theta can't be 0. So cos inverse of 5 by 8. 5 by 8.
51.32. 51.3
Yeah.
degrees.
So 51.3. So is this the answer?
Hmm. But why is this question even here? Just because of 2 theta? I
Uh,
mean, it's very easy.
I don't
Do
know.
7.
7. Show that 5 sine 2 theta plus. Uh,
Just
uh,
expand the formula of sine theta and take sine theta common.
yes, 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 yes. 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 Yes, 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 yes. So this one becomes 10. This one becomes 10. So sine theta 10 cos theta plus 4 to 0. So cos uh, 4 by 10 minus.
Read the question.
What do I know? What? Put it in that form. Okay. So now I did it. Now what?
It's incorrect. It could have been simplified. 10 and 4 take 5 common, so it would be take 2 common, 5 and 2. So
Sir, you talk a lot. That's my problem. 5 cos. It's all you. It's never me. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to 2.
hmm, next word.
Okay, hence find the equation 2, 5. What did I just say? Solve the equation. Okay, so wait, and uh, 10. So it would be 10. Uh, so it's this. So basically, do what I was doing, right? So cos theta is equal to minus 2 by 5 and 2 sin theta is equal to right, this, right.
Hmm.
So it cannot be 0, right?
Here we are not given a triangle. It can be.
Oh my god, you're such a liar. Why do you do this? Sine inverse of 0 is 0. So
And the domain given is what?
0 to 360.
So it will be 0 at 0 degree, 180 degree, and 360 degree. Is it less than or less than and equal to? Less than 360. So it's going to be 0 and 180 degree from
Okay.
sine.
And then from cos, it's going to be cos inverse of minus 2 by 5. 113.6. 113.6. And 18 plus 18. No, 113.6. 113.6 plus 90.
plus 180
Plus
to
180.
41. Wait.
You want the answer? Other one is 293.6.
Mm-hmm. It's 118 degree.
118. 8.
360 minus 113.6 degree. 13.6 degree. It would be 2 pi minus this 113.6.
Okay.
So it would be
Okay.
246.4 degree.
246.4.
Hmm.
But how?
Graph of cos. So hmm, okay. So whatever I get from here, I will get it again at what? Hmm, Graph of cos. 1 second. Okay, so this is how much? This is pi by 2.
90. Yeah.
Then this is
Pi.
pi. This is 3 by 4 pi. And this is whole pi.
No, that's 2
So
pi.
sorry, 2 pi.
No, wait. This is 2 pi, no? This is 2 pi. No, yeah, this is 2 pi. Yeah, right.
Hmm.
Yeah.
1 second, let me. Assalamu alaikum. Mazen, please wait for a minute. Okay, so I've got 2 pi and I want. So my answer was what?
Uh,
113.6 degree, right? So
right.
113.6 is how much in terms of?
Uh, in terms of cos?
It's less than 3 pi by 4, right?
Right.
And it's less than pi. So it's over here.
Right. But then how do you get the other value?
This. So I'm looking for this value, then the other value.
So how did you get it?
This will be 2 pi. 2 pi.
How do you know that it's 2 pi? That whole thing is not 2 pi.
Wait. I drew it wrong. So this
Uh,
2 pi minus this thing.
what's that?
If I call this one x1 and this one x2, so x1 is equal to, sorry, x2 is equal to, this will be equal to this one, right?
Right.
This and this, they are equal. So this is equal to 2 pi minus x1.
2 pi minus x1. Okay.
So x2 will also be equal to 2 pi minus x1. This 1
Okay.
and 2 are equal, right?
It's 2. Yeah, but it's not that. It's x2.
Hmm.
2 pi minus x2 and then 2 pi minus x1.
Hmm. But I'm telling you that this from 1, you can see it is equal to uh, 2 pi minus x1, right?
Uh-huh.
So x2 will also be equal to this. Since 1 and 2, these 1 and 2 are equal. This 1 and this 2 are equal. So if 1 is 2 pi minus x1,
Yeah, but
x
how do you get the number?
2 pi minus x1.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Alright.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll do maths or will we?
Tomorrow for next two classes we'll do business.